my brother Lake, and today we're hungry. So and I'm hungry for pizza.
Me too.
But instead of buying pizza,
We're gonna make pizza.
So first, you already have the dough. You already have the dough ready.
And plus we wash our hands. Ready?
So first, we're gonna need
Tomato sauce.
voila. And we're gonna need a little help. I can't.
For our mom.
Parents. Yes.
All right, so we just get the spoon and scoop it out.
And then
We
flour.
like.
Okay, so what do you do next?
So just after we just spread
Spread it.
all
pizza.
around the dough.
Spread the pizza sauce.
Let it go all over.
Almost all over.
Let me help you a little bit.
And then just tell you the next part. After we finish it.
It's like you're painting.
You painting a picture, but this time with dough, and the paint is pizza sauce.
Yes.
Nice.
Then what's next?
The next part is
Cheese.
Cheese. That's right.
cheese. So we got a mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella.
It's nice and shredded.
Shredded.
Okay.
Mozzarella.
And then all you do
Like
is just
single-
take a little up.
Yes.
Sprinkle it around.
So where the mozzarella sounds like.
Sprinkle
Okay.
some, yeah.
No, the silver sprinkle.
Sprinkle, because you want it to be very cheesy and gooey.
Yeah.
Maybe if for pizza haters, yucky.
But most people love pizza, I think.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
maybe that the world's favorite food is pizza.
Everybody loves pizza.
Not everybody, but all pizza.
I thought it was jerk chicken was the world's favorite food.
I don't think so, Dad. Jamaicans love jerk
Or
chicken.
ackee and saltfish.
Nobody knows that.
Oh, that's mine? Okay, I thought it was the world's favorite.
Okay, after the cheese, then Blake, are you eating the cheese?
No.
Yeah.
I
I want to taste it.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay,
But I'm not gonna tell you
Now,
what I'm about to say.
all right. What's next?
pineapple.
Okay.
Apple.
No people don't like pineapple on their pizza,
Yeah.
so but we like pineapple on our pizza.
Yeah, some people find that quite strange.
Yeah.
So
Oh.
we're just putting pineapple on a pizza.
Oh, and I forgot to tell you that we're vegetarians, so that's why we have no pepperoni.
That's right. All right, I don't want the juice on it, the pineapple juice on it, because then it will be too wet, right?
And
Yes.
soggy.
And soggy, and we don't want that.
So that's why we just dry it out.
That's right.
You're singing?
All right, what's next?
Peppers.
Some bell peppers.
Bell peppers.
Okay, you can do this, Sam. Sprinkle it all over.
Oh yeah.
Just a little bit at a time. Or you can use your hands, because remember you washed your hands?
Yeah.
And sprinkle it all over. So every slice you get some peppers.
Yay, peppers.
Wait.
More people like cheese.
All right.
And we are doing some tomato on it too.
So hold on.
From our garden.
Where got the tomato from?
Our garden.
And where got the peppers from?
Our garden.
Ah.
So you guys do farming too?
Yes.
Wow.
And also, it might be weird, but some people order pizza with just sauce
Mm-hmm.
And cheese. That's
and
basically
crust
Yeah.
with no cheese. And even some people order just crust.
Yes.
That's all. Just crust to eat pizza.
It's a strange pizza with just crust.
And so we're done with the toppings.
What else? Do you think you want some more cheese on it?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll top it off with some more cheese.
And I really want to. I'm really hungry, so I want this to be done quick, so that I can just eat.
How long are you going to bake it for?
I think it's 45 minutes and 5 seconds.
Well, this one is a quick pizza. This one will only take 10 minutes.
Yay!
And plus, the professional pizza makers are in Italy. So Italy is perfect for your pizza.
Yeah, that's right.
So now all you do is
Bake it for 10 minutes.
Pretty hot in there.
And we'll not just editing.
Okay.
So
The pizza, our pizza, is done.
and
So the pizza's done. Let's see how it looks. This is our pizza.
it looks perfect. It looks perfection.
It's pretty hot, so don't touch it yet. Let's give it some time to cool.
Okay.
About 20 minutes.
Yes. Bon
Now,
appetit.
Ready?
now
Get
the
it.
pizza's ready.
Now eat it. Delicious pizza. Make sure to like and subscribe
And click the notification button.
to not miss any videos. And share this video to all your friends.
Bye.
Bye. So we have an idea to make a pizza because you don't want to buy pizza. It's perfect because it's cheap and it's perfect and it tastes very good when you eat it. So this is a perfect video for us. Make sure to like and subscribe and click the notification button.